How to get started with MetaMask Wallet. First, you download the official MetaMask Wallet application in the App Store or Play Store. When you open the application after downloading, press Get Started. Now you have the option to create a new wallet or use an imported wallet. For the purpose of this video, we will create a new wallet. MetaMask will ask you to use your data to better understand how users interact with MetaMask. In this tutorial, we choose to not share our data with them. In the next screen, you need to read and confirm the terms of use and click Accept. Now you need to create a password. Tick the checkbox and press Create Password. This password will be used to unlock your app. After creating your password, you need to write down your secret recovery phrase. Make sure to read the summary on why it is important to write down the recovery phrase and press Start. Now enter the password you created earlier and press Confirm. In the next step, you need to press View to reveal your secret recovery phrase. Make sure to write down your phrase immediately and store this in a safe place. Do not share this code with anyone. Now, MetaMask needs you to confirm your recovery phrase by choosing the right words in the right order. Congratulations! You have now set up your wallet for trading. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.